and I will be presenting today. Our app is called ScenYOU. Every time you refresh the page, the forest will a new layout will generate. Inspiration. One of our team members have always wanted to create a game where every time you refresh it, it changes the layout of the image. That's me. Finding this hackathon gave us the inspiration to create a game that when you refresh it, get a different layout every time. What it does. When the player refreshes the page, the layout of the image changes. The sun doesn't move, but the sunbeams change sizes when the player refreshes. The clouds, trees, rocks, leaves, and the river spawn in a different part of the screen. How we built it. We built this project using JavaScript on cool.org. We used SpriteLab on cool.org. Each member of our team had a part of the forest that they had to code on their own, using the Turtle tab. After each member was done, we put it all together. The key is that every time the page is refreshed, an item of the forest is drawn in a different place within its X and Y coordinates. Challenge we ran into. Since we're beginners to coding, it was difficult to code the drawings individually. But what was more difficult was putting all the drawings together. It was a mess. There were bugs everywhere, but eventually, after a couple of tries, we got all the drawings to work the way they were supposed to. Accomplishments that we're proud of. We're proud of mistakes that we made. Take the river for example. We did not plan it to spawn the way it does, but hey, it still works. The river was supposed to be a straight line going downwards with the mountains on the top. What we learned. We learned that making mistakes is okay. Although there were a lot of bugs in our program, everything turned out to be better than we expected. What's next for ScenYOU? Given that we didn't have enough time for this project because we started late, a button that will spawn different layouts of the forest will be our next goal. After our next goal will be to create a drop-down with options with different image options. Thank you for watching.